I don't know what to do, my girl. Hello?
Ừ, hello tụi tôi.
What did you eat?
Dạ mà nè.
Huh? Okay, what did you eat, Sherbel? Your breakfast?
I eat, I eat spicy pork
Pork
and
again?
spicy pork.
Yeah. And what else?
Um, and I eat
You eat what?
this.
Ah,
It's a fried pork.
oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay, okay, alright.
Okay. Okay, so today, so we will going to continue our lesson yesterday, Sherbel. Okay.
Okay. Nó bọt. What did you just say?
Me?
Yes.
No.
I heard you say like this.
No, nothing.
I heard you say.
Can you see the book?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay.
Come on. Get up. Yeah. What? No.
Okay. Okay, so we learned this yesterday, right?
Right.
Yes. Okay. Can you see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. Okay, so let's gonna talk about the life cycles. Okay, so yesterday, so we talked about the life cycle of a chicken, right?
Right.
Yes. Okay, and the chickens are, so they are crocodile.
Oh.
Are they
No.
mammal? So they are birds. Okay, chickens are birds. Okay, so their life cycle starts with a hen. Okay, with a hen laying eggs. Okay, so but where did the hen comes from?
Where did the hen come from?
Yeah, the hens come from
The hen come from
egg.
egg.
Also egg. Also egg. Okay, and how about the butterfly? Yeah, so we already finished this yesterday, and then yeah, so we have here, we talk about the pupa, right? Do you remember that?
How can I not remember? I remember.
Oh, okay, okay, and now so let's gonna talk about the life cycle of a frog. Oh, okay. So, and the frogs, yeah, so the frogs are amphibians. So their life cycle starts also like laying eggs in water, just like fish, right?
Right.
Yes, okay. So eggs, and then after the eggs, so they will become. tadpole, and then froglet. Yeah, so this is a small frog with the tail of a tadpole. Oh, and then if they're already adult, so they don't have tail. Look, the adult frog. Do you want to become a frog?
No.
Shabelle? Okay. Okay, and how about the life cycle of plants? So what
How?
about the life cycle of plants?
Hmm.
So plants have to reproduce too. So you might remember a bit of this section from section one. So new plants can be made by sexual reproduction. Yes. Okay. So just like animals. Okay. So they have also an egg. Okay. The pollen from one plant lands in the stigma of another plant. It is called pollination. So what is pollination, Sherbel?
Pollination means the pollination
What is pollination?
po-
Pollination is
pollination is a
the the process of
hmm, the process of
transferring
hmm,
transferring pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female part. So which enables the flower to reproduce seeds and fruit. Okay, so that is pollination, Sherbel. Okay. Okay, it is the act. So do you know the 7 steps of pollination?
what?
Attracting the pollinators. Pollen transfer, pollination, fruit growth, seed dispersal, like that. Do you remember that?
Yes, I remember that.
Oh. Okay, so how do plants get pollinated?
How do plants get pollinated?
Yeah.
By hmm, they get pollinated by
When birds,
with
bees,
birds.
butterflies, moths, beetles, and or the wind carries pollen from flower to flower, or it is moved within the flower. Okay, so why pollination is important?
Why pollination is important?
Yeah,
Because pollination is important because of
to transfer the pollen for
the transfer the pollen for or the
successful sexual
process for
reproduction. Okay. Okay, and so what is an example of pollination? Hmm? Okay, so here. Okay, so number one, okay, so the pollen from one plant, so they will going to like go to the stigma, and then an egg is fertilized by the pollen. So when the pollen and the egg join, a seed is made, and then the seed germinates. First, it grows into a seedling and then a fully grown plant. Okay, so give me an example of pollination, Sherbel.
of an example of pollination.
Yeah,
Mm. What?
flowers or the bees. Just like the
Our
bees. So the bees will going to provide, yeah, so like,
bees,
yeah, the bees. Okay, and
B
then
E
yeah, so
A N.
yeah, flowers provide bees with nectar. Do you know that? Hmm?
The bees
Yeah.
with
So this,
nectar.
okay, asexual reproduction. So some plants can grow into new plants without pollen or an egg. So instead, a whole new plant grows from a little bit of the plant. So this is called, okay, asexual reproduction. Do you know that, Sherbel?
Natural reproduction.
Yeah. Okay, so it will produce new plants. Yeah, so asexual reproduction. So in plants, so it is process that produces new plants without the use of sex cells or flowers. Yeah, so like the new plants, Sherbel, the new plants are genetically identical clones of the parent plant, like that. Do you know it? Hmm?
Mm, what?
You're not listening to me. You're not
I
listening to
cannot.
me.
I cannot hear you.
How about now?
Now I can hear you.
Okay, okay. Okay, yeah, so we have here. Okay, so now we have here an example. Okay, for example, plants can be grown from cuttings. Yeah, yeah, so some plants, Sherbel, if you will just going to cut it and then plant it, yeah, so there, so we can produce new plants. So pop them in soil. But some other plants, yeah, so they need eggs or seeds, yeah, so to have new plants. But other
Yeah.
plants, see, you will just going to cut. Yeah, you will just going to cut, Sherbel. Yeah, so
Anh
you can
là lục
have it.
à?
Just like, do you know bougainvillea?
Kiên bìa lá.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Do you know that?
Bộ kiên bì lá. Hmm. Type it.
Oh,
Hmm. Where did you learn that from? Bộ kiên lia là.
no, bougainvillea.
Bộ kiên.
Wait, wait. Yeah, maybe I showed you that before.
Bộ kiên bìa lá. What
Yeah.
color is it?
A lot of color. Many colors.
Many color. Do it
Yeah.
have
Like
black?
that. Yeah. No, you don't have that. That flower, okay, so you can plant that without seeds, without anything. This.
This?
Yeah. Yeah, so that
I,
flower or that plant,
maybe I saw it.
mm,
It looked like that. I saw it in my neighbor.
yeah, so you don't need seeds or eggs to plant this, to have this new flower. You can cut. Yeah, so you can cut it.
Why I can cut the flower?
You can cut, no, not the flower. You can cut it and then, yeah, so you can cut it and then plant it to have new plants. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So if you sow anything, yeah, so if you will see a bougainvillea in your neighbor, you can ask or you can cut it and then you can plant it. Yeah, there's no need seeds. No need, Cherbel.
No need seeds?
Yeah, no need.
How can we plant it then?
You can use just soil.
Use soil?
Yeah.
I
You will
will
go.
try to plant them. If I can't plant them, you It seems you lie to me if it really don't work.
Oh, it will really work if you will take care of it. Like you will going to get some soil into a like just a small pot. Yeah, so just a small pot and then you will going to plant it and then water it. Water it every day. Yes. Okay, like maybe every morning so you can water the plant. Yeah, so then you plant. So and then later on it will grown up. Okay. The bougainvillea, not other flowers, not other
A
plants. Just
bougainvillea.
yeah. You said you have that in your neighbor, right?
I mean, I don't have, but my neighbor have.
Oh, you can ask from your neighbor. You can cut it.
Huh? I can pick the flower.
No, don't no, not the flower.
Yeah,
This. Wait,
you
wait.
can touch it.
Like this, look. That try growing bougainvillea. Like this, Herbal. You don't need any seeds like that. No need.
Hmm.
Let's gonna find here.
This,
Yeah, you
this
can
one,
have it.
that one, nice.
You can have it in your house
This one
soon.
I have is with my neighbor.
Oh, you can cut. You can cut. You can cut just small, just not too big, or yeah, not too short. Just okay. Yeah, so maybe like this, your bell, like this. You can cut it. Okay, and then you can plant it. Okay.
Okay.
I know you're eating. Why are you hiding? Okay, so you can grow whole new plants from bulbs like onions and daffodils too. So this is a sexual reproduction as well. Yeah, so this Sherbel, so this is called a sexual reproduction. Yeah, so you can just yeah, so you will just going to cut the plants, yes, and then you can have it cut off bits of a plant. But this one, the sexual reproduction, so you need here an egg. So there are two ways, yeah. So like where we can plant flowers, like a sexual reproduction and the sexual reproduction. Yeah. Okay, so the main thing to remember here in that plants can reproduce in two ways. So the first one is by forming seeds and or by by cuttings. Only that, Trebel. Okay, there are two ways of plant of growing some plants. Okay? Do you understand me?
There are two ways to grow plants.
Yeah, so what are these?
Brother,
Huh?
it's my brother. Chucky.
Your brother?
Yes,
Yeah, I saw him. Okay, okay.
he's gonna slap you.
What?
He gonna slap you, but why do he like this with you?
I don't know.
Maybe he gonna slap you.
Maybe you said.
He
Okay.
just keeping you happy.
Okay, so let's have here. Okay, well, the section contains a lot about life cycle. So all you also need to know some tricky new words and what they mean. For example, the vertebrates and invertebrates. Remember that scientists use similarities and differences to group plants and animals. Have a go at these questions and have a look back through the section if you get stuck. Okay, so all things can be placed into one of three groups. So what are the three groups? Do you remember?
What? What are the three group of plants?
No, not plant. All living. Okay, so the what are the three groups?
What are the
All living
three?
things can be placed into what is it? Do you remember?
What are the three group of plants?
Yeah. No,
is
not the plant. This. It's not the plant.
is not a plant.
Yeah. It's a grouping of living things. The first one is, what is it?
The first one. Hmm.
This. Oh, this. What does vertebrates mean?
What does vertebrate mean? Vertebrate have backbone.
Okay, yeah. So the vertebrates have backbone. Okay, name the five vertebrates groups. So what are the five vertebrates group?
Five vertebrate groups.
Yeah,
Hmm. Five vertebrate group.
yeah.
Hmm.
What are the five vertebrates groups?
Is
Fish,
five
fish,
fish,
reptiles,
fish, fish, reptiles, fish,
birds,
birds, and
mammals,
mammal.
and what else? There's another one.
There's another one.
Yeah.
Hmm. Is is
Amphibians.
amphibian.
Yes. Okay. So those are the five, okay, vertebrates group. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I say okay.
All right. Okay. So now, okay. So let's have here. Okay. Say which of the five vertebrate groups each of these things goes with. Okay.
Each
Okay.
of
Say which of the five vertebrate groups each of these things goes with. Adults breathe with gills, has feathers, dry scaly skin, has hair or fur, lay eggs in water, but uses lungs to breathe when it's an adult. What is it?
hmm. Well, how can I don't breathe with grill?
No, not this. This is wrong.
Oh, where?
Say which of the five vertebrates groups each of these things goes with. So adults breathe with gills. What is it?
Hmm. Adult cannot breathe with gills.
What is it? What group?
What group? Hmm.
Yeah. Is it reptile?
Hmm.
Amphibians, fish.
It's a fish now. Wait. It's a fish.
Hmm?
Fish have gills.
Okay, fish have gills.
Hmm.
Okay, and has feathers.
It's a
Has
bird,
feathers.
right?
Okay. Dry, scaly skin.
Dry, scaly skin. Hmm. Dry, scaly skin. Hmm.
Yeah. What is it?
Is.
Wait, 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 wait.
Why wait?
Oh, oh no, 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 no. Oh,
Why wait? No, 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 no. Ah.
okay. Ouch. What is it? Mm?
Mm, the dry, scaly skin.
Yes.
is a reptile or
Reptile or
mm,
amphibians?
amphibians?
It is amphibians.
Hmm. Dry scaly skin is amphibian. Hmm. Dry scaly skin. Dry scaly skin. Hmm.
It is amphibians.
No.
So what is it?
Dry scaly skin is a a
Amphibians.
no 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 no. It's it's a dry scaly skin. It's not a um hmm. It's dry scaly skin is dry scaly skin is a
Reptile.
yes, it's a reptile.
Has hair or fur?
Letter D
What letter D? Yeah, letter D.
has hair or fur.
Okay, what is it?
Like the fur, like a rabbit. Has hair or fur.
Okay, it is
Mammal.
Okay, mammals. Okay, number one, letter A is fish. Letter B is birds. Letter C is reptiles. Letter D is mammals, and letter C is
Where does it
letter
say?
E. Letter E.
Hmm. Lay eggs in water. Hmm. They may be
Um,
amphibia.
what
What?
amphibia? Amphibians.
Amphibians.
Okay. Okay, so again, so you didn't answer number one.
What?
All
Where?
living things can be placed into one of three groups. So what are the three groups?
Hmm.
The three groups are
The three group are
animals,
animals,
plants,
plants, and
micro,
micro
microorganisms. Microorganisms. So again. So what are the three groups, Sherbel, of all living things?
microorganism plants and
Microorganisms.
microorganisms animal and plant.
All right, very good. Okay, and which two vertebrate groups have a steady body temperature? Which two vertebrate groups have a steady body temperature?
Where? Number 5.
Yeah, number five.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which two vertebrate groups had a steady body temperature?
Okay, the first one is has feathers. So what is it?
Has feather.
Yeah.
Bird
Yeah, birds. And the other one is has fur.
has fur.
Has
Is
hair and fur. It is?
a mammal.
Okay, yes. Okay, so the two vertebrate groups, okay, that has steady,
The
okay,
kitty can.
yeah, that have a steady body temperature are birds and mammals. Oh, number six. Which vertebrate group has its babies born live and feed its babies with milk?
Feed it baby with milk.
Yeah,
Ma, mom, mom,
mom.
mammal.
Okay, mammals. Okay. Okay, and can you name the four types of invertebrates? What
Right?
are the four types of invertebrates?
Number four, right?
Number seven. Name four types of vertebrates.
Name the four. Name the four type of invertebrate.
Yes, invertebrates.
Hmm. Name four type of invertebrate. One, two, four.
Insects,
Is is an insect. It's a
spiders.
is the spider and a butterfly.
Huh? Butterfly. Yeah, yeah. So they are invertebrates, but the four types of vertebrates:
Four type of
insects,
invertebrate.
spiders,
Insect,
snails,
spider, snails, and
worms.
worm.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so now let's have here number eight. All plants can be placed into one of two groups. So what are the two groups? What are the two groups, Sherbel?
What are the two group of plants?
Yeah. What?
What? All plants can be placed into one of two groups. What are the two groups?
Flowering and
Flowering and fa, the two group, huh?
flowering and
Flowering and
non-flowering.
non-flowering.
Okay. Okay, so now,
Okay, so now,
Sherbel,
Cherbel,
you're copying me.
you're copying me.
Your mom will get angry. Okay. Okay, so use the K to work out the name of each alien creatures, okay?
Okay.
Letter A, do you know this?
No, it's the red one. So it's
Letter
an
A
ant.
is Glenn. Okay, letter B is Kate.
Hmm? Letter B is Kate.
Yeah, letter C is Edward.
What?
Okay, let's look. Okay, there. Look at this. Has it
Prince
got
family,
wings?
Kate,
Mm, yeah.
Claw, Glenn,
Glenn.
Lucy, Edward. Edward from Anna English.
Okay, and then letter D. Look at the letter D.
Hmm.
Chris. Has it got
Please.
fillers? Okay. And then letter E is Paul. Paul. Got a nose, yes. Glenn don't have a nose.
We
Got
don't have no.
fillers. Yeah.
No.
Lucy. Okay, so look at Lucy. Have got fillers and no. And then G, no
Where
too.
T? Hmm?
And then H is Nick. Okay, yes, have fillers. Okay, so now let's have here number 10. How can destroying Meadowland kill owls?
Oh, yeah, the storm at time at down and kill owl. Why? Why they kill? Hmm? One
How can
question.
destroying Meadowland kill owls? Why?
Why?
So if we will going to destroy the Meadowland, so what we will gonna do? So what will gonna happen?
What is gonna happen?
Yeah, destroying Meadowland destroys the habitat of what? The habitat or the home of plants and
A bone and count and uh
your house.
hmm? No.
Okay, so if it will if the Meadowland destroys, so the habitat of lots of animal, oh no, of plants and insects. Okay, so you're destroying the plants, the home of plants or the habitat of plants and insects. What are you doing?
I'm doing this.
Okay, so without the plants and insects, mice and anyway, mice and voles don't enough food and die out. Do you know that? Do you know it, Sherbel? You-
No.
Because you
No.
because you are not listening. That's why.
What? No what? I say no what?
How can destroying Meadowland kill owls?
Huh? Netherlands also kill owl?
How?
How the Netherlands kill owl? They kill owl by gun, right?
Destroys the habitat of plants and insects. So without the plants and insects, mice and voles so don't have enough food, Sherbel, and it will die out. So without the mice and voles, the
Owl?
owls don't have enough food.
They don't have enough food.
Yeah, the owls.
Why?
Because if we were going to destroy the Meadowland,
Ooh, they're scared.
oh, how about this number 11? So can you suggest one thing that you could do to help protect rear pand animals?
Just
Rebel, can you
what?
suggest one? One thing
Just
that you could do to help protect rear pand animals?
we are pond like the animal who live in the pond.
Yeah, what could you do to help them?
I will I protect.
You could build a
Oh,
you could build a
I can build a
garden.
garden.
Yes. Okay. So do you know how to build a garden?
What? How can I
Garden
build a
pond.
garden? No,
Garden pond.
garden pond.
Yeah.
Oh, hmm. Show me garden pond.
I showed you yesterday.
Really?
I showed it to you yesterday already.
Um, ah, a grass pond.
Yeah, like that.
No, I'm
Oh,
not an engineer.
you are.
Why?
Okay, so
I'm
number
not
12.
born
How
to.
about number 12, Sherbel?
Yes, Sanya.
Okay, so in animals, what two things are needed to produce a fertilized eggs? Hmm? In animals, so what are the two things are needed to produce fertilized egg?
Hmm. The the the
Hmm? Sherbel?
yes, in animal, what two things are needed to protect a
What are the two things are needed to produce fertilized eggs? Hmm? Egg and sperm to produce.
egg and sperm?
Yeah, to produce fertilized egg. Sherbel, egg and sperm. Okay. So again, in animals, so what are the two things are needed to produce fertilized egg?
In animal, the two things are needed to produce a fertilized egg.
Yeah.
And late, uh, 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 late, uh, 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 that you say an egg, that's
What is it?
uh, uh, egg, and egg
Egg and sperm.
expert.
Okay, the egg and the sperm. Okay, I just told you. Okay, pigs are mammals, chickens are birds. Which one lays eggs and which one gives birth to live young?
Pigs are a mammal birds. 1, 2, 3. I see someone like that.
Pigs are mammals, chickens
Pigs.
are birds. So which one lays eggs and which
Oh,
one gave birth to live young?
chicken lay egg and pig give birth to live young.
Yes. Okay, and okay, describe the life cycle of a butterfly. So what is the life cycle of butterfly? Sherbel, what is the can you describe the life cycle of a butterfly?
Of a butterfly.
Mm-hmm, yes.
Well,
Describe the life cycle of a butterfly.
describe the cycle of a butterfly. They will become and and
A butterfly.
a butterfly will become a cat a
A
cat
butterfly lays an egg.
lays an egg and then they will in the pupa
Okay.
and then
Okay.
they will become a caterpillar and then they will become a butterfly.
Yeah. Okay. Do you know? Sherbel?
I
Okay.
know the design of butterfly. The
Okay.
butterfly lays
Okay, so you will going to describe the life cycle of butterfly. Okay, so you will going to okay, a butterfly lays an egg.
and then there and then it's going to and then there will become a pupa and then they will go into caterpillar and then they will become a butterfly.
Okay. Okay, so the
Why
egg
no? Mm.
so the egg grows into a caterpillar and then the caterpillar okay, the caterpillar forms a pupa and turns into a butterfly. Sherbel? Okay, so give two differences between the life cycle of a butterfly and a frog.
A life cycle of butterfly
Yes.
or frog.
Hmm?
Yes,
Give the two differences between the life cycle of a butterfly and a frog. Hmm?
okay. It's a butterfly. Huh? Also a frog. Then the the frog will lay lay. They will lay eggs and they will become tadpoles and tadpoles will become a a
Okay. Okay, to from. Okay. Okay, so butterflies lay eggs on a leaf or branch, but frogs lay eggs in water.
is in water
Yeah.
acid acid acid
And then
acid
the butterfly,
acid
your mom will get angry. You're not listening to me.
yes I'm listening to you.
No, okay. So butterfly eggs grow into what? The butterfly eggs grow into what, Sherbel?
Loud. I got to buy egg. Well, girl, and going to, and then the butterfly lay a egg, and then they will become pupa.
No! Butterfly eggs grow into caterpillars.
What?
But, yes. Okay, and then the frog.
That's
frog
right.
eggs grow into tadpoles. And after that, after caterpillars go through a stage as a pupa
Pupa.
and then turn into a
Butterfly.
fly. And then how about the tadpoles?
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
The tadpoles turn
Apple.
into what?
A tadpole will turn into
Into froglets.
in a froglet.
And then
They will
and then
become an
frogs.
adult frog.
Yes, okay. So now, okay, so true or false? When plants use a sexual reproduction, there's no pollen or egg involved. Is it true or false?
What?
When plants use sexual reproduction, there's no pollen or egg involved. True or false? True, Sherbel. When plants use a
And
sexual
yes,
reproduction, yeah, so
reproduction, there's no pollen. There's no pollen or egg
involved.
involved.
Yeah.
Involved.
Okay.
Oh, berarti tinggal gymnastics.
Okay, so now, okay, so let's move here. Okay, so let's gonna have now our next. Okay, so next is, okay, the life cycles humans. Okay, so now, so let's gonna talk about the life cycle of animals. Sherbel? Okay, the animals including humans. So let's gonna talk about this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, all living things go through changes during their lifetimes. So these changes make up their life cycle. Us humans have a life cycle too, and here it is. Cherbel. Okay, so we have so how was the life cycle of a human? So fertilize the egg, and then the baby, child, adolescent, adult, old age, and then death.
That.
Yes.
Oh,
Uh,
I remember the death went to this. And this. Oh, the die people went. See, do you know this?
mm,
You know this one that I draw?
no.
You don't know?
What is
You
that?
up. Then I will show you. This one, that, man. This, that, yes. This that I circle.
Okay, this. Okay, and then after that, okay. Poverty, what are you doing? Okay, so puberty
And
happens during
just
adolescence. Between 10 and 18 years
just
old, in puberty, the
later.
bodies of boys and girls begin to change. Yeah. So the girls, so hair starts to grow on their bodies. So breasts develop
Huh?
and hips widen. Ovaries start to release an egg once a month. This is when periods begin. You are gonna have this later, Sherbel.
Why?
Okay, so
No,
so the
no, no.
hair starts to grow on their body. So when the girls, okay,
Why?
and then you are going to have your breast will develop, your breast,
Hey, wait, my father have.
and your hips widen. And then you will, yeah, so and then the ovaries, so you will gonna what? What? So you will gonna have a periods every month. What is ovaries?
Ovary.
What is breasts? Yeah,
Where?
this
Hmm.
breasts,
Breeze.
ovaries.
Breeze. Breeze means it means
What is breast? Do you have a breast?
no.
You have.
What? But I don't
You
see.
have,
Uh,
but
mm,
not yet developed. So
that's
it will
my mother hat.
yeah, and you have two. Okay, and so ovaries. So do you have ovaries?
Ovary.
Yeah.
I don't like eggs.
So you don't have ovaries.
No, my mom have.
So you're not a girl.
My mom have. My
Of
mom has
course you have, and you have two. You have, sure, Belle.
when did I have? Oh no, my father is calling.
Okay. Y- What is ovaries?
Just
What is ovaries?
Ovary.
Yeah. Okay, so the female reproductive organ, yeah, so sure, Belle. Okay, so it will produce egg. Okay, so but now okay, so you will gonna have it later. Okay, so like when you will turn 10, 11, 12, you will gonna have an you will going to release an egg once a month. Yeah, so your periods begin. What is periods? Do you know?
No,
So it will grow your breast, Sherbel, develop your breasts, and then for the boys, okay, hair starts also to grow on their bodies. Hair also starts to grow on their faces. Yeah, the boy, Sherbel. So they will gonna have hair on their faces, and then
I'm nothing.
what?
Nothing. You'll see later.
Look at this. Human body organs. So the major organs of the human body. So we have here the ears. Okay, what is ears?
What ears for listening?
For
What
hearing and
for hearing and balance?
yeah, for hearing and balance. If we don't have ears, so we cannot hear.
We cannot hear you clearly, and we cannot when we cannot and we cannot hear your and I cannot hear your voice.
Yeah, definitely. You cannot hear my voice if you don't have ears.
It means you doesn't move your mouth.
Okay. So, Sherbel, we will going to continue this on Monday, okay? So let's gonna
Okay,
talk
okay.
about
Wait.
the human cycle, the human
Um,
body
I
organs.
say, wait. Now my mother's speaking. She's loud. Ooh, don't you see?
Wow, I don't like labubu.
Wow.
It's ugly.
Ugly what?
Yeah. Okay, see you on Monday, Sherbel.
Oh, wait. It can do this too, right?
Yeah.
It can write too. Look that I write this. I didn't make it myself, but I buy it. My mom buy my aunt buy it. My aunt buy it a lot of Boo book sticker.
Wow, so
This
good.
is not a sticker.
Okay, so see you tomorrow.
Actually,
No. See you on Monday, Sherbel, okay?
See you on Friday. Wait, wait,
Monday.
wait,
Bye
wait, wait,
bye.
wait, wait, wait. I will. Oh, you need to do this, okay? You need to do. Okay. You need to do like an old people. Can you do?
No.
You need to do this one. Wait. This.
I don't have poop.
Real. You also do like this for a wide.
No, no, no. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you
See you on
again.
Monday.